What's up, y'all? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves. Today I'm actually going to be doing a unveiling of the True and Tidy steam cleaner. I'm going to be doing a full review of it and unboxing of it as well, so you guys get to see exactly how it works and how it runs and stuff of that nature. But yes, so let's get to it. It's actually this steam cleaner here, True and Tidy. You can get one of those on Amazon for probably $20 or less. And I'll be sure to leave the link of this exact same product in the description below as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe as well. All right, bear with me, guys. Alright guys, so this is practically the True and Tidy 600 watt handheld steamer in a nutshell. So this is the box. That's what the box looks like. It's a very lightweight. The cord length is 8 feet and its steam is in 10 minutes pretty much, and powerful steam that is, of course. That's the side of the box in itself. The nozzle in itself is stainless steel, so that actually kind of feel like a iron in a lot of ways. And that's the power button right there. It's pretty much demonstrating to you how to operate it from the sides of it. And that's the back of the box, to say the least. So I'm gonna start by unboxing it. I do know you guys see the glass of water right there, so that's actually to put inside the steamer in itself. So that's the steamer, and inside the box also comes with a tiny container and also this brush head right here. So this container is to actually fill it up with water, and it's 8 feet long. The power cord is about 8 feet long to be exact. So we're gonna actually get through this in a second, so I don't need that. So to make a long story short, in order for you to open the container, which is right here, you pretty much twist it off this way and it's ready to open. And that's how you put water inside of it. And you pretty much take your water and you pour it inside. You don't want to put too much water because you don't want it to overflow. And that's that in a nutshell. Something like that. And obviously you put it back in and you lock it. So the mechanism here, the mechanism here will tell you when it's locked and when it's open. So when the head, the stainless steel head is facing this way, it's on lock, and when it's facing that way, it's locked. And obviously it has an indicator on when you put too much water into it. That's the maximum capacity of water you can put inside of it. And let's see, when we plug it in, see what happens there. I'm actually untangling the wire so I can plug it in. So now the wire's been untangled. Let me find an outlet and show you guys. So for as of right now, the steamer's on. As you can see, the red button down here is off and on. So I'm waiting for it to start steaming and working. So this actually, in order to put this head on, you go over here, place it over this way, like so, and it will snap right at the very top. Oh, my apologies, it's this way. Yep, so now it's on. And you could brush off lint and stuff off of your clothes, off of your curtains, off of everything with this brush here while still getting quality steam outside the equipment in itself, the steamer in itself. So now you can see the water starting to boil, and very shortly steam will be starting, steam will be coming out of this thing and working. So see, as you can see now, it's starting to steam slowly. If you look, there's steam coming out right there, and now it's starting to make the sizzle sound of steam, and just like that, now it's shooting steam. So it actually steams for 10 minutes according to the box. Like I said, it's 600 watts, and a full container will last you just about 10 minutes time to turn up steaming. So that's very good in a lot of ways, because we needed this for curtains and clean clothes and stuff of that nature. So this is very cool. You can just grab the handle right there and move it up, down, down, up, side to side, just to steam stuff off. And that's practically how this works in a nutshell. I definitely recommend this product. I think you guys should get one, and if you guys are interested, like I said again, this the link for this product is actually in the description below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment as well below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Alright guys, enjoy, have a great day, peace.